A community mural frame is split into 3 rectangles in a row, all the same height. The left rectangle has area 12 square centimeters. The right rectangle has area 24. The left 2 rectangles together span 8 centimeters. The right 2 together span 11. Find the area of the shaded middle rectangle. Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Here is a hint. The 2 spans overlap. What does the difference tell you? Compare the 2 side rectangles. The right is 24, the left is 12. The difference is 12 square centimeters of extra area. Why is the right one bigger? Look at the spans. 11 minus 8 equals 3. So the right rectangle is 3 centimeters wider than the left. That extra 3 centimeters of width gave 12 square centimeters of extra area. So the shared height is 12 divided by 3. That equals 4 centimeters. Now recover the widths. The left area is 12. The shared height is 4. So the left width is 12 divided by 4. That equals 3 centimeters. The left span is 8. So the middle width is 8 minus 3. That equals 5. The shaded area is 5 times 4. That is 20 square centimeters. This is the difference trade rule. When 2 groups look almost the same, look at the difference. The area difference divided by the width difference unlocks the shared height. 16 minus 12 equals 4. Divided by 1 gives 4. Then use that height to find the middle width. Multiply for the shaded area. Same unlock, hidden deeper. Find the unlock first. The rest falls into place. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.